Welcome to our guide on saying goodbye to your Facebook page. This guide is straightforward and easy to follow, designed to help you permanently close your Facebook page. Deleting your page is a significant decision, as Facebook plays a crucial role in how we connect with friends and family, sharing our thoughts and experiences. However, there are times when deleting your page becomes necessary. Whether it's for a fresh start because you no longer use Facebook or any other reason, this guide will support you through the process. We'll cover why people choose to delete their pages, how to do it, and the importance of backing up your data before you proceed. Let's dive in and learn how to close this chapter of your digital life. Why might someone decide to delete their Facebook page? There are numerous reasons. Perhaps you've started a new business and need a fresh page to reflect your new brand, helping you focus solely on your new venture. Or maybe the content on your page is outdated, with posts from years ago that no longer represent who you are or what you believe in. Removing these can clean up your online presence. Additionally, many people are stepping away from Facebook to explore new platforms, seeking to simplify their online lives. Whatever your reason, deleting your Facebook page can be a liberating step towards managing your digital footprint. Ready to delete your Facebook page? First, ensure that you are the admin of the page, as only the admin has the authority to delete it. If you're not the admin, you'll need to contact the current admin for assistance. Here's how to proceed. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to your page. Click on the Settings tab at the top. This will lead you to your page settings. In the Settings menu, find General and look for the Remove Page option. Click on it, and Facebook will guide you through the rest of the deletion process. Follow these steps carefully to successfully delete your page. Before you delete your page, back up your data. This is important. You won't be able to get it back after you delete your page. Go back to the main settings menu. Look for your Facebook information. Click on it. You'll see an option to download your information. Click on that to start the process. Facebook will let you choose what data to download. You can download posts, photos, and videos. You can download your messages and comments. Choose what you want to save. Click on Create File to start the download. It might take a while for Facebook to prepare your data. You will receive a notification when it's ready. Download your data to your computer. After you back up your data, you can delete your page. Go back to the Remove Page section in the settings. Facebook will ask you to confirm. They will remind you that deletion is permanent. Think carefully before you click Delete. Once you click it, your page is gone forever. You won't be able to get it back. Make sure you really want to delete it. Click Delete if you're sure. Facebook will then begin deleting your page. This might take a little while. After it's done, your page will be gone from Facebook. Deleting your Facebook page is a big decision. It's important to think about the impact. Make sure you understand the process. Follow the steps carefully. Your online presence matters. Managing it is important. Deleting a Facebook page is one way to manage it. It gives you control over your online information. This guide helped you delete your Facebook page. Remember to back up your data first. Remember that deletion is permanent. Think carefully before you delete your page.